What's up, fam? So welcome back to the channel, Tommybites Homestead. We are about to go and see if I need to add any more soil to my seed starting mix, and then I'm gonna go outside and get in the garden and start pulling more weeds and whatnot, because this January, and that's right around the corner, y'all, I'm going to start dropping my seeds. So if you want to start dropping your seeds, definitely go ahead and do so. Don't wait. Check out these stores and see what they already have in, especially like Dollar General or Dollar Tree, stores like that usually have a little bit of a sale on the items that you're going to need to start your garden in 2025. So if you hear that noise in the background, that's Gracie drinking right now. So I use like just a regular light that I would use for my chickens or whatever. I use that as a grow light. So I'm gonna have to get my setup back together and go through my seeds. And when I'm labeling, I just use these spoons right here. I don't do anything fancy. I get those from the dollar store and I mark them just like that. I have my seed starting book in here. I also have where I wrote down last year, 2023, things that I wanted to be starting. Well, the year before, 2023, but you can pretty much use it. You can also go and find out what your zone is and go off of your zone, the things you should be planting and when you should be starting them. Seeds in here, I don't have to go through the seeds in the house. I'm right now outside in the sun. I have a ton of these little start things here that I don't want to do. You know, if you live in my area, you want to meet up and get these right here, let me know and I will give them to you. This is what it looks like. I have all these things in my shed outside, so I don't know, I may just save me some money and just do it myself. I also use a clip-on light right here, and you just get a grow bulb and put in it. So again, I'm going to be using these right here to grow with. I recycle mine. I do have some more in the house, but I save these when I purchase plants and stuff. So I'm going to be starting my seeds in these right here, and then these right here I bought off of Amazon. I'll be starting seeds in that as well. These are my fruit trees that I got back in 2020 when the pandemic hit. And I want to apologize for the noise because I'm on the go editing. But I lost my job in 2020. We were living in South Carolina. And then I qualified for EBT. So I went and bought up a bunch of trees with the EBT that I had. I wish we qualified now. But anyway, go out and get your trees if you have EBT. I put hay on top of it, so I'm just I pulled some of the hay off of the other ones. I'm not going to do this one like that. What I'm going to do is just pull the greenery out of it, the leaves and the weeds rather out of it, so you can see I pulled these off. So we have 2 apples, 1 pear, 1 plum, and I think that's it. I'm gonna leave the leaves. Some of these are weeds, some of this is grass, some of this is, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it because it's all intertwining right now. I really need a heavy duty camera stand like I had. I still haven't replaced the one that my husband had. I should have put my microphone on, but I didn't. So what I'm about to do now is take these sunflowers out.
I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, take me setting the table in all the chic, baby. Come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shite on my body.
Y'all, I had no idea that it was as foggy as it was. Literally, I could not see this fog until I started editing this video back. So I find this very odd. I didn't do anything with the camera, so you know, it's not that. But what I do know, I'm not sure today, because this was yesterday. Today is the same way out here, and I started feeling bad. My stomach started hurting really, really bad. I don't know, you know, is this a regular type of fog? So the video you're watching now, that was yesterday. I was not expecting all of that fog, and I couldn't even see that fog until I edited. But as you can see, today is the 31st, and I'm headed into a Hardee's doing Uber Eats. But I have a serious headache, y'all. My stomach has been hurting. I don't know what's going on. But this is not that video. This is about preparing for our spring garden. We are getting sprung, so every day expect a garden video from me, unless it's raining or something, and then I may just be dropping seeds on those days that it's raining. So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, and I'll see y'all in just a few minutes.
Tell me what you done for me lately. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chillin', day and night, but days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, lately. Tell me what you done. Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do.
So I'm gonna end the video here. I recorded a lot, as you can see from the cart. When I got off the video, I kept going, but all I managed to get done was this much. But the shovel definitely is helping. So for those of you who are not aware that I do have lupus and fibromyalgia, more so fibromyalgia. My lupus numbers have been looking better, so thank God for that. But anyway, I suffer with pain every day, all day, and I try to get done as much as I possibly can. I hate that this overgrew when I was going back and forth to South Carolina from North Carolina to stay at the hospital with my dad and stuff like that. But it did. It suffered. So that's okay though. I'd do it again if I could, or if I had to. Definitely gonna be back in it. I'll start right where I left off at. I don't know what the weather is tomorrow, but I'm gonna end it here because your girl gotta go take her some pain medication and rest and drink some water, lots and lots of water. Again, I will have the pineapple video, and it'll just be the pineapple video by itself. But it's going to be in stages because I want you to be able to see the roots growing. So although I said it'll be this weekend, it won't be this weekend, but I will already be working on it. That way I can show you me actually cutting it up and how I started, and then coming back over the next few days or weeks to show you how the roots are already growing in it. And then I'll show you the pineapple, but it'll all be in one video. It's just going to take me a bunch of different takes in order to get to that. So before January is out, definitely I'll have that video for you guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to the Tommybites Homestead show. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care. Your girl, my mouth is dry. I need some water right now, so I gotta go. Bye, y'all. Love you, but God truly loves you more. I also will be taking, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's seeds in here. Save your seeds so you don't have to buy any more. I have a bunch of okra seeds anyway, but I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna pop it off, put it underneath my sunroom on the table. That way I don't lose any of them. I have some on that one right there and this one right here. And these grew pretty well, if you could see the stalk on that or whatever. So.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean.